Okay, I'm filming now.
Do you notice how you look in the video through? Let me model this for you.
What you doing? Harrison. No. No. No.
Why are you telling him no?
Because I don't want him to do that.
Uh-oh. We're going to have a no?
No. Harrison. No. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Good boy. You're such a good boy. So he'll get frustrated and then I'll give a big hug. And then he'll try it again.
Oh, shoot. Yes, there's some laws of physics, Ruben, you're going to have to work on.
Mama's going to have to... Ooh. Mama's going to have to... Maybe put it in.
Yeah. I'm going to...